of April 2018, and the time is 9:51. Okay, let's look at Bitcoin first. On the daily chart, we can clearly see here that finally that bearish trend line has been broken, but the price hasn't moved away that much from that area. So there's a possibility that it might dip back into this bearish trend line. But it has stayed out for more than 6 days now, so this could be a real break. Okay, so it never touched this this support trend line here at the bottom, so it will still be there supporting the price as the time goes on. Let's just go and look at smaller time frame and just see what's happening. You can see here that it's actually forming a triangle or a flag. Looks like a bullish one. We will wait for the price to squeeze soon. That's gonna be very soon. So very soon this price will break out of this area. So the latest that we're looking at is the 23rd of April. So before the 23rd or on the 23rd, somewhere there, we will see the price breaking out of this area. It's more likely to go upwards looking at this flag. There is a possibility that it can break downwards. The Bitcoin price action has been quite crazy. If you can go down to a shorter time frame, you can see that the pattern that has been showing here, it looks like the margin traders getting liquidated. You can see these spikes, spike up, spike down, spike up, spike down, spike down, spike up, down, up. So it has been quite funny. So we'll see, but so far looking good. We will also appreciate if the price can consolidate in these areas. That's what I think is going to happen. It's also going to give opportunity to the alts to flourish. Okay, let's look at the king of altcoins, Ether. All right, I've been tweeting about Ether. If we can go to daily chart, we have seen this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 consecutive daily green candles. We haven't seen that. The last time we saw that, it was here, around this time last year. In fact, not far from this time. It's just about 13 months ago. That's the last time we see that. In fact, we only had one red candle. So if it wasn't for that one small red candle here, we could be talking about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 green daily candles. So we haven't seen this since last year, in the beginning of that super bullish run of the altcoins. Could this be related? I don't know. We'll see. The only difference is these ones are quite smaller compared to these ones. So these were big jumps. Here it's a small increase. So the thing about the market, it keeps on teaching us new lessons, printing new patterns. So we'll see what happens. Anyway, going to Ether, we spoke about this area that we're gonna find some resistance. Yeah, we saw some slowdown here, and then I think I spoke about this area as the first area where if you bought in this area, you can start taking some profits here. You may also take profits where we are right now, because we're gonna have a bit of resistance somewhere here, but I'm expecting a big resistance around here. We can also put a Fibonacci here and see where is our Fib zone. All right, so okay, we've got 23 here. I don't think it's gonna do much. Then we've got 38 here, and then yeah, so that area, it's here, it's between 23 and 38. Maybe we're not gonna have much of resistance here. We might have resistance here in 38, and then this area between here and here, this is the area where we're gonna have a lot of profit taking. If breaks out here, then we expect it to go and break this top and see the new local highs. So so far Ether has been doing quite well. I spoke about this shallow inverse head and shoulder there, supported by this triple or double bottom here. So yeah, and this accumulation here, this was good to take a bit of a break, gain some momentum. So I'm expecting Ether to continue going up. I think it has been supported. Let's just see if the alts are really back. Okay, so let's look at the alts indicator Doge. Okay, let's bring in the daily chart. All right, we had a full video about Doge. We spoke about this area looking like this, and we said if we break out of this area, then we can confirm that this was in fact this, and then this here, the bottom here is this, and then we are here. So I think we can confirm that. I can say that alts are back with 50% confidence level. The reason being this bearish trend line. I would like to see Doge breaking through here, and then we can start celebrating. Then alts are back, and then we'll start talking about this local top here, and then we'll see where the price takes us. All right, so far looking good. I really want to close this candle as a green candle. If this candle closes as a green candle, it will be good for Doge. Otherwise, if this become a shooting star, it might be a problem. If it closes as a red shooting star, it's really not gonna be good. It will look exactly like this shooting star that you see here. So I wouldn't want to see that. I would want this one to close as a green candle still, and then we see some continuation, maybe consolidation before coming and break this area. Okay, let's just go further look on the alts. I've been looking at the alts market capitalization without Bitcoin. Tweeted about this. You can see this inverse head and shoulder there. We broke this 200 billion market capitalization that has been a big resistance. Yeah, it looks like we might come back close to 3 billion market capitalization soon. The other thing that we're seeing is this Bitcoin. just bring it closer. We are seeing the dominance of Bitcoin going down. I expect this to go further down. If the alts are really big, I expect this to go even below this area. The reason is we have been getting more and more altcoins coming into the coin market capitalization, and also I expect altcoins to grow faster, obviously, than Bitcoin. So we might see the capitalization going closer to 20, even below. It won't really be bad for Bitcoin. 20% out of more than 1,500 altcoins is still good. And then the other thing that I've picked up is this small, medium caps peeling away from the rest, from the top caps. You can see this huge peel away here from the 18th of March. So the small caps started moving up compared to the rest. So interesting. It looks like we see small, micro, medium caps growing faster than the high caps. Well, it does make sense. But yeah, so far looking good. I'm expecting this to continue. Bitcoin coming down, the price of Bitcoin consolidating, going up slowly, and altcoins going up faster. And then we are going to, when we get closer to the area like this, when they get closer to each other, if what happened last year, it's repeating this year, we're gonna start seeing Bitcoin starting to peel away from the rest, and then we're gonna see the top where all the whales, the big guys, taking the profits, and the cycles repeat again and again. So yeah, it will be time to collect Bitcoin through altcoins. I remember what I always say: money is made in bearish season and collected in bullish season. So yeah, it's looking good. So we'll see what happens. It was important. If you've got any question, don't forget to hit me up. Stay humble, stay cool. Cheers, I'm out.